Cooking Apa.
Hi, this is Cooking Apa. I have red snapper fish head here with me. I'm going to steam it and then I will make some Caipo, fried Caipo and put on top. Yeah. So Caipo steamed fish. So Caipo steamed fish is a very famous, one of the very famous cooking method to steam fish in Malaysia. Usually I will use the sweet Caipo and then I will put in some freshly minced garlic and also some chili padi. And of course we will make few slits on the fish body and few pieces of ginger and marinate with a little bit of salt. Right, so preheat your steamer. Then put in the fish. Steam it for approximately 10 minutes. Alright, so the thing about frying Caipo is that don't put any oil. If you put oil, then it will keep on jumping and splattering around. So I learned this from my followers. They taught me don't put oil, then it won't jump. And they're right. I tried already. The moment when you don't put the oil, it won't jump. So we want to saute this until it actually brown a little bit. Yeah, probably will take a couple of minutes now. Keep on stirring. This is after about 5 minutes sauteing. You can see half of it already become crispy. Because I'm using the sweetened Caipo, so I'm putting a little bit of fine salt here. And then we're going to add in the chili and also garlic. Give it some final stir. And the fried Caipo is ready. Right, this after about 10 minutes. Wow. Let go the steam. Whoa, the fish is very beautiful. Let me show you. You can see the fish or not? So there's a lot of steamed fish water. That is the source of fishiness. So we are going to remove the steamed fish water. Right, I've removed the fishy water and the ginger. Look at how beautiful the fish is. The eyes is also bulging out. So I'm going to very quickly make a steamed fish sauce. Hot water plus a bit of premium light soy sauce. Done. You can add a bit of, I'm adding some shallot and shallot oil here. Let me finish it. So this is already super fragrant, yeah? Pour it. Caipo. And some fresh coriander on top. Done. So I hope you like my very simple Caipo steamed fish today. If you like my video, do share my video on Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Apa Facebook page, you click like and follow button, follow up on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Apa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye.